10 flowers every spiritual gardener should grow. Peony. Peonies symbolize prosperity, honor, and compassion. Their lush blooms support bees, bumblebees, and solitary bees, enhancing pollination and nesting habitats. Jasmine. Jasmine's star-shaped night-blooming flowers symbolize purity and divine love, attracting moths and nocturnal pollinators for serene evening rituals. Moonflower. Moonflowers unfurl trumpet-shaped white blooms at dusk, representing transformation and intuition while attracting enchanting night-active sphinx moths. Echinacea. Echinacea signifies strength, healing, and resilience. Its cone flowers draw native bees and wasps, while seeds feed birds throughout winter. Calendula. Calendula's bright orange and yellow petals symbolize protection and purification while attracting hoverflies, lacewings, and supporting ground-nesting bees. Lotus. Sacred lotus symbolizes purity, arising from muddy depths. Its floating blooms attract dragonflies and damselflies, fostering serene reflection ponds. Sunflower. Sunflowers embody warmth, faith, and spiritual adoration, providing perches for birds and pollinators like bumblebees across sunny summer landscapes. Gardenia. Gardenia's intoxicating white blooms symbolize peace and clarity, attracting butterflies and moths when grown in acidic soil and partial sun. Passion flower. Passion flower's intricate blooms symbolize spiritual passion, drawing hummingbirds and carpenter bees while thriving on trellises in well-drained soil. Chamomile. Chamomile represents relaxation and inner peace. Its daisy-like flowers attract hoverflies and predatory wasps, supporting balanced garden ecosystems.